So this is the Dewalt backpack bag that my husband got off of Amazon. He is a maintenance tech, and he was looking for something that could hold all of the things that he needs and just something easy to carry that he can bring from job to job. And this is what he found. So I'm just going to show it to you guys. I'm going to show you guys all the buckles, the clasps, the features. He loves that it has that flashlight built in on the front, and it also shines into the inside of the bag. He has not used it on a job site yet, as you can probably tell, but we are really excited that he has it now. There are just spots for everything on this bag. There's so many pouches, there's so many straps. So I'm just going to show you guys the whole inside and outside.